What's up guys, to Idan About YouTube channel. Today we're going to unbox and review FORSTEEL file cabinet, all metal with a lock, and I think it has wheels as well. Let's check it out. So it was completely assembled right out of the box, so it was very easy to unbox it. That means you can just get it started right away. And the wheels are locked, so I'm going to unlock them so it'll be easier to roll it around. Yep, it has wheels already installed. So let's see, this is, I'm guessing, is the key for the cabinet. Oh yeah, those are nice keys. Those are plastic foldable keys. Very nice. Here you go. Bam. So this is the lockable file cabinet, and there's two more drawers over here. There's a smaller one and a bigger one as well. So if you want to get dividers, you have to get that yourself for the bottom drawer. It doesn't have any paper dividers, but it looks like it's ready for it if you buy one. And that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's all metal, very nice, very good construction. If you like this video, leave a like. If you're a manufacturer and want to send me a product, let me know, and the link for this product is going to be down in the description. See you guys later. Peace.